Welcome, dear students. Welcome back to social science classes. I hope all of you fine and safe at your home. In previous class, we are study about civics, first chapter, citizenship. In this video, today we will discuss about globe and maps. In this class, we have discussed about globes and maps. First, we have know what is geography. What is the meaning of geography? A geography is a branch of physical science. Geography is one of the branch of physical science that studies about the earth in detail. Geography is a studies about the earth in detail. What is the meaning of geography? Geo means earth. Graphy means description of study. What is the meaning of geography? The detailed study of earth is called geography. Geography is a branch of science that deals with the study of earth. Geography is a detailed study of earth and it will deals with the study of earth. Globes and maps are very effective learning tools and aids. In the education field, globes and maps are very effective learning tools and aids. In this lesson, we will study about importance and uses of the globe. What is the importance and uses of the globe? Types of maps and the essential components for map making. Interpreting and uses geographical signs and symbols in the maps. Mastering the art of map reading. These points of today's content of the lesson. We have start this lesson. In this video, we will learn about globe. The earth is a geode in shape and is represented by a globe. What is globe? Earth is a geode in shape and is represented by a globe. The photographs taken of the earth from the satellites give a real shape of the earth, but we can see only one side of the earth. With the help of satellites, we can capture a picture of earth, but we can see only one side of the earth. Earth is a shape of a spherical. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಅರ್ತ್ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್, ಒಂದು ಗೋಳಾಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The globe, which is the model of the earth, can give us the view of the other side also. Since we can rotate the globe, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ನ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋಬನ್ನು ಟೂ ಫೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Features of globe. What are the features of globe? Globe is a miniature model of the earth. Miniature means a small form of the earth. Globe is a miniature model of the earth. A globe is a small form of the earth. It is a true representation of the earth's spherical shape and not flat as seen on the map. I am already told. Earth is a shape of a spherical, not flat. Map is a shape of a flat surface. It gives us information about the many features of the earth. The globe gives us many information about the many features of the earth. It is simple teaching learning aid. Globe is a simple teaching and good teaching learning aids for the better understanding of geography. Globe is a simple teaching learning aid. Globe describes the latitude, longitude, earth rotation and revolution, season changes. Globes ಏನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್, latitudes, earth rotation, revolutions, seasons change. These are all aspects we can see in the globe. In the helps us to learn about different geographical concepts. With the help of the globe, learn about the different geographical concepts like earth rotation, revolution, seasons change, longitude. These are all geographical concepts we can understand with the help of globe. Uses of the globe. What are the uses of the globe? Is useful to know the shape of the earth. Globe is useful to know the shape of a earth. What is the shape of the globe and earth? It is a spherical model. The globe is a useful to know the shape of earth. Globe ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಶೇಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀಸ್. ಗ್ಲೋಬ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ exact position, shape of the earth and size of the earth, size of the continents, oceans and seas. The lines of latitude and longitudes on the globe help us to locate place and political boundaries. The lines of the globe like longitude, latitude on the globe helps us to locate the exact place in the map or globe. Globes helps us to understand the inclination of the axis, movements of the earth, rotation, revolution and their effects, day and night, seasons, etc. The globes helps us to understand the inclination of the axis, movement of the earth. What is the aspects of the globe is? Globes first helps us to know the movements of the earth, rotation, revolution and their effect, day and night. What are the seasons change in our year? It gives generally information about the geographical features. Globes gives the general information about the geographical features like mountains, plains, deserts, islands, rivers. The globes shows the exact information about geographical features. Okay dear students, I hope all of you understand this class. Today we will learn about meaning, what is the globe and what is the meaning of globe and what are the features of globe and uses of a globe. Next class we will learn about what are the maps, what is the meaning of maps and what is the features of maps. Thank you. I hope all of you understand this class. Thank you. Once again we will meet.